Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because the water reservoir, or the machine wasn't recognizing that the water was low in the reservoir. And so we replaced the magnet that actually goes inside that tells the machine how high the water level is. Also, it needed a grinder replacement because water had been poured into the grinder by mistake and then it wasn't grinding, so we replaced that. And in the end, we also noticed that water wasn't coming out of the hot water spout when it was supposed to, and so we ended up replacing a solenoid valve to resolve that issue. And here it is, functioning once again. So we'll test it. Dun, dun, dun. There it is. Looking good. Alright, test the hot water. As you can see, hot water delivery. Alright, well, there you have it. DeLonghi Magnifica functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.